Hi guys, it's Ray with Ray's Turquoise Turtle. Today I am going to do some regular cups, not tumblers, using my TeckWrapCraft's vinyl that they sent me. These are the Pastel line and they are gorgeous. So I'm going to do 2 wine glasses and I'm going to do 2 of the 4 of these color change tumblers. The other 2 I'm going to use with the color change vinyl, so it'll have color change on color change, but 2 of them I'm just going to leave plain. So I'm going to pick out the 2 of those I want to use. I'm going to use their mat to test out, and I will use their tools. So 2 wine glasses, 2 plastic cups, and I'm going to pick out the colors I want to use, and we'll see what we come up with. Okay, so I picked these 4 colors, a pink, a peachy orange, the coconut white, and the livable green. And I have them cut and placed. I'm going to cut them all on one mat. I made them all the same color on my design space. But I do want to mention that these do have, whoops, that is not the protective layer. These do have a top film, which I am terrible at getting off. There we go. So I'm going to take that protective film off of each one, and I'm going to go ahead and get them cut, and then I will be back to get them applied to the cups. I already weeded 2 of these, but I'm going to weed the other 2 for you. This vinyl weeds like a freaking dream come true. Ooh, except I lost the little center of my M there. Weeds really, really nicely. I'm pretty impressed. So, get that off the mat. You don't have to weed it on the mat. I just figured it was easier in this case. This one I actually don't want to weed on the mat. This is a brand new mat, obviously, so it's super sticky, and hopefully I didn't just stick that back down. I should have just weeded it on the mat. And I've got to get my eye dot saved in a minute here. And my apostrophe. This color green is so soft and pretty. All better. I can't really see what I'm doing from the angle I'm standing at. That's part of my problem. I haven't done wine glasses in quite some time, but this one's always a super popular image. So that's why I did it for both these standard and color change, if you were wondering. There was a reason for it. tore my R. Okay, so it's weeded. I'm going to get my, I just have a little bit of alcohol and a rag. I'm going to wipe everything down. I'm going to get these labels off the bottom too. I forgot. I do have to say the new wine glasses from Dollar Tree, the labels come off much easier, which is nice. All right, I will let the alcohol evaporate off of those and I will be back. Okay, time to get decals on. If I can find my little piece of transfer tape I just had. Which I just got glitter on. So I'm just going to go ahead and decal all these in Fastmo and then come back when I have them all done. Okay, so I am super impressed with the way these vinyls went on. They weeded great, they applied great. There is not an ounce of bubbling in this larger section, which is incredible. Makes me happy. I did lose my eye on here, and I usually like separate this line a little bit and hand place more to account for the curve, but this was the first batch of these I did on this new style glass, so I did not do that. But these colors are matte and really pastel beautiful. The way I have you set up, I can't see my screen, so I'm hoping I am somewhere in frame. But these are not color change vinyls. I'm doing these like in tandem, the two videos together. So this one was the color change vinyl. It currently has the cold water in it, but I just want to show the cup change color. So I bought these cups at Walmart. There are ones that are printed already. Don't buy those ones if you want to do them yourself. But you can see that the cup changed color and you'll be able to see the decal better through it. Because I did do like tone on this one. And then the last one. So, I really enjoyed working with these vinyls and on this project, actually. It was kind of fun. Different. I haven't done wine glasses in quite some time, so. Oh, there you go. TeckWrap's Pastel Mats. I really like them. They cut nicely. They weeded nicely. Their mat was fantastic. I really liked their pin pen. You know, the scraper tool is a scraper tool, so you'll be seeing me use more of these vinyls on tumblers and stuff in the near future. I'll be sure to mention what brand I'm using when I pull them out to use them. So that is it, and I appreciate you. Thank you for watching.